So we've started our inequalities, and now we're going to build up to what happens when we've got negative x. Now I'm going to do this in two ways. So we're going to start off by thinking about this as an algebra problem. So we're going to have negative 2x, and we're going to take away that 9 from both sides, so it gives me a 6. Now what I could do is I could divide both sides by minus 6, but something funny happens there. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to add 2x onto both sides, and we're going to take away the 6. So now all we've done is treated this like an equal sign and gone through our process we would with algebra. Now we're going to divide by 2, and it says that x is less than or equal to minus 3. Now I'm going to do that same equation but slightly differently. Let's do it in green. So I'm this time going to start off by doing it as 2 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 6. So take away 9 from both sides. But this time I'm going to divide by the minus 2. In fact, let me change that sign there. So when I have this and I divide x by minus 2, it leaves me with x. When I divide 6 by minus 2, it leaves me with minus 3. But what is important is if you divide or you multiply by a negative number, this sign in the middle is going to change over. So it flips the sign. So that's an important thing to remember. We flip this sign if we multiply or divide by a negative number. Now that's probably a better way to do it than the one on this side. Now if you look, we've actually got the same answer. We've got x is less than minus 3, and on this side we've still got x is less than minus 3. So let's do another one. Let's have a look at this one. So another case where we're going to start off with a simple algebra problem, 2x over 3, and we're going to take away 5 from both sides, so it gives negative 4. I'm going to keep going through this. It's minus 2x, and we're going to times both sides by 3 to give minus 12. Now I want to divide by negative 2. So the minute I come to divide by negative 2, that sign flips around. And negative 12 divided by negative 2 gives me 6. So these are two inequalities where I'm using a negative. I'm dividing or I'm timesing by a negative at the end, and what happens to the sign?